Thought we'd do something a little different for videos. We're just here across from Mutoyi in, I think it's officially Kigobe, Quartier. But anyways, we're at this Belgian kind of cooperative store type thing, and they make furniture. And then say like a set like this, price is 950,000 for all of this, including 4 of these little guys. Be great for footstools. Most of these prices are like $1 million, slightly over, slightly under. And then they have lots of, they have beds and stuff here. Also like close to $1 million or so. And they have clothes. Clothes are very reasonable here. Some are only $10 US. Some are $6 US. All handmade, I assume. This table here, for instance, is made rough. It's $1.5 million. You can even get chairs with drawers. I think they're part of a set because I don't see a price tag on them. Have some desks and stuff. Some more hand done craft paintings and such. Got some wicker baskets. Some vases, I guess. I'm not sure what the proper name for that is, but we got these little guys here. They're priceless. So if you want a monkey, I was trying to see if I could find a price tag, but I don't see one. Maybe you gotta ask about that. And they have all these other goods here. They have these, I'm not sure what they're called, but usually they use them to sift things. And they got some more things over there. Lots of interesting stuff here. So it's right across from Mutoyi. So if you want to come check it out, we're here on a Saturday. We know it's definitely open on a Saturday. Here's another part of, I don't know, I guess an artist collective is maybe what you would call this. There's some things for grinding stuff, like corn and whatnot. These figurines. That hippo is huge. And those hippos here are pretty decent looking. They even got some stuffed animals, if you're into that kind of thing. You got turtles over here, alligators, guys in boats and drums. Lots more baskets, hats and stuff. Lots of hats. Looks like they're mostly for women, I think, so I won't be buying any, but some more paintings. Prices are very reasonable, really, on everything. Good prices. Pretty neat. Then they have some giraffes and zebras kind of hidden over here. So we'll just zoom in on that maybe. Look at that. Those are really nice. They're only, these here, 15,000 franc, which is really a very good deal. This one here looks pretty interesting. I don't know. 18,000 for that. I think I like that one better. Pretty good price. They got like a, I don't know if that's supposed to be a manger scene or what it is, but got a lion here. 80,000 for that lion.